Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching Cook Like the Yeungs. Today I'm making this particular dish. This is the spicy Thai basil with chicken and shrimp. So this is what I call the chicken and shrimp pakapao. So if you're interested, go ahead and continue to watch this video, and I'm going to show you how easy this is to make this dish. If you have not yet subscribed to our Food Travel Shopping Channel, hit the subscribe button right now. And let's get cooking. Okay, here are the ingredients to make our Thai basil chicken and shrimp. And in traditional pad kapao is really with chicken, but I have some shrimp, so I decided to put some shrimp in as well. So this is gonna be the chicken and shrimp pad kapao. All right, so I'm gonna quickly chop my chili here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the stem part. All right, so we can simply just cut this in. All right, so transfer it over to, if you have one of these where you can bruise it. Okay, so one of these spice mixer. Transfer all the chilies in there. And what we wanted to do is to kind of mash it in here a little bit. Okay, so we want to bruise it a little bit. Oh, the spicy is coming out. All right, so then we're good. Set this to the side. All right, let's go to the wok and show you how to prepare this dish. All right, so you want to heat up your wok here. I'm using my stove wok here. If you have not yet seen my unboxing of this piece, I will put the description box below. All right, so once we're heating up our pan, we want to add in approximately 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, or I'm using the avocado oil here, which can take on high heat. All right, so once our wok is heat up here, we're gonna go toss in the chili as well as the garlic first. All right, so I'm gonna add my minced garlic. I'm gonna add in the chili. All right, so about 20 seconds you want to stir fry this, okay? And then we're gonna add in our chicken. All right, so you want to stir fry the chicken for about 2 minutes. All right, so you want to cook them thoroughly. All right, so we're gonna add in our oyster sauce. All right, so I really like to use this spatula here because we can really scoop all the sauce. I just added the soy sauce. Add in the sugar. All right, so once the chicken is almost done, we're gonna also add in our shrimp. All right, so one of the ingredients that I didn't show you earlier is that we're gonna add in a dash of dark soy sauce. All right, so I'm just gonna show you just a dash or a little bit. All right, that's gonna give it a little bit more darker color. All right, so just to deglaze the pan a little bit, I'm gonna put also the Yeungs wine. All right, so we're gonna stir this a little bit. All right, so you can see the shrimp has almost turned fully its color, so that's almost ready. All right, so finally, I usually turn off the heat right now, and then we're just gonna add in our Thai basil. All right, so now we're ready to serve. So I'm just gonna transfer it over to my plates. All right, then we're gonna do the fried eggs. All right, so I am gonna fry my egg here. I used 1 ladle full of vegetable oil that I have leftovers from just frying some stuff. So I'm just using 1 scoop of oil, vegetable oil here. And we're heating up the wok here with the oil, and then we're preparing to fry our eggs. Okay, so you can see the oil starting to really bubble and on the side here, and you can see some steam coming out of it. So we're gonna put our egg in. All right, I'm doing 2 eggs here, so okay, so you can splash some oil to the eggs. All right, I'm gonna turn off the heat, and we can actually remove our eggs. All right, so we're gonna transfer this over to our chicken and shrimp pakapow. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this episode on my chicken and shrimp pakapow. If you have not yet subscribed to our food travel shopping channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell notification for our latest video update. I'll see you next time. Cook like the Yeungs.